This is my new stuffed carrot toy for your dog. Your dog will have fun when it tosses it around, plays tug of war with other dogs. Your dog will love this toy.
Hello, my name is Dale Joseph Brown, and today I'll be showing you my new creation, a new toy for dogs. And the toy is called Wonder Dog. The dog comes with a ball. Okay, so they took a very giant bone and they cut it into a dog and they made it peanut butter flavored. And then they made a ball and it tastes like blueberries, which I've heard that dogs like a lot. And so the dog is, his mouth is open so you can put treats in his mouth, and the ball comes with the dog. It only costs $24.99. It's one of the best toys you could have for your dog. It will make him happy.
What is the name of your product?
Ball.
The Catch Ball.
Yep, the funnest thing ever. You do not have to touch it. The dog can just catch it wherever it wants to. It's all fun.
So what does your product do?
You can just the dog can just hold it, and then he can try to catch it.
The football tug of war toy. I think Dorsey will like this toy because he can play tug of war. And on the end, peanut butter, and inside you can put treats inside the football. And with this TV offer, we will double the toy. Dogs only. Call 235 691. Catch you later. This is a new toy called the Bone in a Bone. It has holes in a bone in a treat called a bone inside. Your dog will have a bone a good time. Your dog, the holes make your dog's mouth fit straight through and try to get the bone out of the holes. Your dog will have a fun. This is the thing that I made. This is my new toy for your dog. The banana bone in the box. When your dog bites this, then this starts swirling around and then this starts squeaking. Thank you.
Hi guys, my name is Temperance, and I made up a new toy called a pea spoon. It's fake and it's a toy, so your dog will think that it's a real piece of bone, but it's not.